In this video, I'll be showing you how you can automatically cite and reference a book for your research paper for free. So stay tuned. To cite and reference a book for your research paper, the first thing you do is to type in mybib.com/tools/apa-citation-generator. Enter. The next thing you do is to choose the correct style as directed by your lecturer or project supervisor. For this video, I'll be using APA 7. The next step is to click on book because I want to cite and reference a book. So I click on book. Please note that you can enter the book manually or you can do it automatically by searching for the book title or entering the book ISBN. So I will search for the book title. The book I'm using for my research is Fundamentals of Physics. Alright, search. So it brings up a list of related textbooks. So you have to identify the one you are using. The one I'm using for my book is Fundamentals of Physics, Volume 1. So I click on that. Automatically, here is your fully formatted reference and in-text citation in APA 7 style. So all you do now is to copy this reference into your document under your reference section, and when you are citing this book, you have to use these formats for your in-text citation. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.